Hello everyone, I'm Lansa Multuri and welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be discussing about something which is very interesting. I'm sure the world is talking a lot about generative AI models, LLMs everywhere, AI, ML, whatnot. So I'm sure guys you would have heard about something called Microsoft Copilot. Though Microsoft has named its product as Copilot, but more and more often it represents or it sums up to a generic class of generative AI bots. And Microsoft Copilot has become a very vital and important assistant in the enterprise industry today. So, what if this fabulous generative AI assistant is combined with the king of RPA, which is UiPath? So, this combination can do wonders. If you are unsure about what Copilot is or haven't had a glimpse of it, I suggest you go through my previous videos where you will find a very clear explanation on what Copilot is and how it can be used. Now, in this video, I have prepared a short demo for you to showcase the integration of Copilot and UiPath. So without further delay, let me quickly share my screen. All right. Yeah. So guys, I'll quickly show you what is the objective of this use case. You see, I have a PNG image here, which is of a very poor quality. And I would want to extract some of the fields from this invoice without using the document understanding features of UiPath or any of the OCR features of UiPath. And this OCR features or this cognitive abilities I want to achieve via Microsoft Copilot. So without further delay, let me quickly run the demo. So the bot has started compiling the activities and it is expected to open the Edge browser. As you see, Edge has been opened and now it has got to open the Microsoft Copilot application and let us see if it is going to open it or not. So yes, it has successfully clicked on the Microsoft Copilot application. It will wait for a couple of seconds for the Copilot to load before prompting the query. So once we have the user interface of the Copilot ready, it is trying to upload the invoice which I have shown you. And we are trying to prompt the Copilot asking what is the total amount present in this invoice. And let me just scroll down to show you if Copilot is generating a response or not. Perfect. It has generated some response and now I want the bot to copy that response. Okay. Now the bot has completed the execution and there are a couple of points which we will have to do to verify the output. Copilot gave me the total as $154.06. So let us quickly compare it with the invoice we have and see if it is right. Perfect. It is 154.06, which means the Copilot did 100% accurate OCR extraction. And the bot has copied the output from the Copilot, guys, if you remember. So I'm quickly opening a notepad to see if it can be transferred to another application, which is a notepad in this case. And yes, we can successfully transfer the information which the Copilot is generating. In UiPath, you could also use a write text file activity if you would want to paste the data in the notepad by default. All right. I also want to show you something here. If you go to the prompt, so prompt is nothing but the query we use to query the Copilot, guys. So if you come here, I have mentioned the spelling of amount wrong. It is a intentional mistake and there is one point which I would want to convey through this mistake. So Copilot or basically any generative AI models has or have got the capability of natural language processing, which means they'll be able to understand what the intent of the user is and generate the response accordingly. And hence, though there was a spelling mistake in the prompt which we gave, it was able to successfully retrieve the required data, which in our case is the total amount. So yes, this brings me to the end of the demo, and I hope you enjoyed the integration of Microsoft Copilot and the UiPath, and trust me, it can do wonders. I'm trying to explore handwritten data. If Microsoft Copilot can actually extract the handwritten data when combined with UiPath without the need of any additional OCR engines or tools. So we'll get back to you with a quick video on the same sooner. And if you would want the source code for this, do comment yes, and I'll share the source code with you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.